Okay, this week is week 2 in cycle 3. We're going to be doing water drop lens, which is number 70. So each of my tutors will get one of these that explains the scientific method. Remember that this is what they need to memorize all year. So make sure you sing the song or say the words to go through the scientific method. Your supplies you're going to need are a 6-inch piece of wire, which I will provide. It's 20 gauge, and a pencil, and then some books or magazines or newspaper, which I'll also provide. And I'm going to be using like the coupon pages to make sure that there's nothing in the newspaper that will be of negative influence on your kids. So you are going to have the children take their wire and wrap it around the pencil. As they're wrapping it, make sure that they're not using the very tip of their wire and only doing, let me show you, only doing one little loop that doesn't close. Can you see that? How it barely touches it and close. Is what you want them to create is a piece that gets twisted around. So you will have them, can you see that? Let me straighten this. So you're going to kind of make a piece that's straight up and then twist it down around the pencil. So it's a completely closed, I even just hold the 2 pieces of wire and spin my pencil. So it's a completely closed wire. You can see the spiral twist right there. And then I did like you do when you're dyeing eggs. I kind of bent the circle to make it go up and down like this and make sure that it's kind of flat. So I forgot you also need water for this. So you're going to use your water. They are going to dip, there's one already made, dip the wire into the lens. You can see that the water droplet remains inside the circle. And they get to take their book or their newspaper article and they are going to hold it over to see if it works as a lens or not. Does it make the letters appear larger or smaller? So they're going to work on this, come to their own conclusion. If a water droplet falls, just get a new one because that will happen. And they're going to determine whether or not it's a concave lens or a convex lens. And that is our science for this week.